Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome my dear students to our online mathematics session. Our today's lesson is convert metric units, page number 803. In our last lesson we have done page number 802 and two questions for question number 5 and question number 6 was in homework of page number 803. Today we will do the remaining questions of page number 803. So please open page number 803 for the remaining questions. Find each unknown number. We will do question number 7. 6 liter is equal to dash milliliter. L for liter and ml for milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay. Now we have to change 6 liter into milliliter. We will multiply by 1000. 6 multiplied by 1000 is 6000 milliliter. Next number is 8. 5 meter is equal to dash centimeter. M for meter, cm for centimeter. If we want to convert meter into centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. 5 meter multiplied by 100 is 500 centimeter. In number 9, 2 kg is equal to dash gram. 2 kilogram is equal to dash gram. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. How much? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 2 kilogram is equal to 2 multiplied by 1000 is 2000 gram. Right? In number 10, 5 centimeter is equal to dash millimeter. Mm for millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, right? So 5 centimeter is equal to 5 multiplied by 10 is 50 millimeters. 11. 12 kg is equal to dash gram. You know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 12 kg is equal to 12 multiplied by 1000 is 12,000 gram, right? Next number is 12. 4 meter is equal to dash millimeter. We have to convert meter into millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 4 meter is equal to 4000 millimeter. 13 is 5L is equal to dash ml. 5 liter multiplied by 1000, you will get 5000 milliliter. After that we have number 14. 7 kilometer, km for kilometer is equal to dash meter. 7 multiplied by 1000 is 7000 meter. 15 is 9 meter is equal to how much centimeter? 19 meter is equal to how much centimeter? When we are going to change meter into centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. 1900 centimeter. After that we have number 16. 9 kilogram is equal to how much gram? 9 multiplied by 1000 is 9000 gram. In 17, 18 liter is equal to how much milliliter? We have to multiply by 1000. We will get it 18,000 milliliter. Last number is 18. 22 centimeter is equal to how much millimeter? See the working in the second line. 22 multiplied by 10 is 220 millimeter, right? Now homework, page number 805. Find each unknown number. In this page you have to solve from question number 1 to question number 6. You will use the same method. You will memorize 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. All the things explained in page number 803. You will use the same method and solve the questions of page number 805. Thank you very much for watching the lesson and understanding the lesson. Assalamu alaikum.